Namaskar. Hi, hey, hello, what's up? How are you guys? I believe all of you are doing well, isn't it? If you ask me, I'm also doing good. Fantastic, awesome, super. I'm on top of the world. Friends, one day I was chatting with a girl. So I asked her a question that do you still have any contact with your college mates? She replied, no, I don't have. And I don't want to have also. So I asked, why? What's wrong in it? So she replied that, I love to stay alone. I'm very happy being isolated. I'm very happy in my own world. I don't want anybody in my life. I'm a self-sufficient person. Friends, this is just one example. I have come across similar kind of people of same attitude many a times. And I'm sure you also might have come across similar kind of people several times as well. No, there is nothing wrong in it. In fact, it's an amazing thing if you can stay happy being isolated. But the question here is, how long? How long are you going to stay happy being isolated? Can you stay isolated every time? Can you be happy every time being isolated? Can you grow your own self being isolated every time in this modern era without networking with people? The fact that the very nature of human beings is to socialize, is to network. Ladies and gentlemen, teachers and trainers, brothers and sisters, friends, relatives, students, and all the beautiful viewers out there, let me tell you that today I'm going to discuss about the importance of networking as promised in the last video. If you haven't watched my videos, please do watch them. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe and press the bell icon. And make sure that you press the all option so that you will get all my notifications of my channel in future. So friends, I was talking about networking. What is networking? In simple language, networking means nothing but meeting people and exchanging ideas, information, opportunities, help, etc. Yes, your network is your net worth. I'm not saying that go out and have as many contacts as much as possible. Your many contacts may not be helpful to you, but your qualitative contacts do matter. So you need to choose very carefully quality over quantity. Friends, in this video, I am not going to give you a philosophical lecture. I am going to talk about my personal experiences where I found networking to be very worthy. Yes, I have got immense benefits with the help of networking. So first, let me talk about my college days. College days. Wow. Friends, whenever I think of my college, I become so happy, so excited, you can't imagine. Such amazing days they were indeed. Anyways, so when I was in my college days, I used to mix with almost everybody. I used to interact with seniors, my juniors, my classmates, almost with everybody. And that's why I found that in many situations, things just happened to me. Things just came to me. Automatically they happened. And I didn't do much of hard work. Let me give you a small example. When I was in my second year of MBA, I remember there was an election process going on for the post of cultural secretary. I didn't do much of campaigning, but out of all the 50 students, more than 35 students voted in my favor. It was possible because I maintained good relationship with all my classmates. This is just one example. In several other situations, I found that things just happened to me just because of networking. And even after college, I remember once I had left a job and I was looking for another job. Fortunately, I got a call from one of my classmates. She said, hey Arvind, there is an opening in my company. Why don't you try? I went there, I appeared for the interview, and guess what? I was selected. It won't have been possible if my friend had not informed me. Such is the power of networking. Such is the impact of networking. I still remember during my college days, many of my classmates, many of my juniors, they just took my name and their work was done. No, I'm not trying to show off. I'm just trying to tell you that if you have a healthy network, then it is not only you who is going to get the benefits, but also the people around you. But also the people who are connected to you are going to get benefits from your network. Now, let me talk something about LinkedIn. When I was in my college days, I used to stay active mostly on Facebook as other guys. But when I entered into corporate world, I got to know about LinkedIn. So I started staying active on LinkedIn. Not only I stayed active, but also I interacted with different professionals from different backgrounds, different cultures across India and also outside India. So in this process, I learned a lot of things. I gained knowledge. I got to know about various job openings. I started getting job offers. I started getting business opportunities. I started getting projects and whatnot. So many things happened just because of my good networking skills. Just because of I created a healthy network on LinkedIn. Now let me talk about my initial training days. In my initial training days, I remember I used to interact with a senior manager from Nalco. He used to guide me a lot. And he made me introduced to one of the most successful trainers of India. I met him, I got trained by him, and I got mentored by him. So in this process of networking, I have developed knowledge as well as I have upgraded my skills. Today, whatever I am, networking with the right people has certainly created a great impact on me. Now, let me share an example from last year. Last year, one of my students was seeking for financial help because one of her relatives was hospitalized. So I saw the requirement and posted the requirement in all the groups in which I am a part. Let me tell you that being a trainer, I am a part of many trainer groups, many HR groups, L&D groups, business groups, alumni groups. So I posted the requirement in all the groups in which I am a part. And after posting, you won't believe that within 2 to 3 hours, we were able to generate revenue. We were able to raise funds for the treatment. So this means if you have a healthy network, then you can get financial help as well. No, please don't take me wrong. I'm not saying that go out and ask for financial help every time. You should ask for financial help only when you feel that it is a very emergency case. Otherwise, you should not. So you can get financial help as well if you have a healthy network. If you have a network of like-minded people and large-hearted people. I remember that at present, as I've mentioned that I am a part of many groups, so I frequently come across several job openings. So whenever I come across job openings, what I do, I simply pass on to those needy students, to needy candidates. And believe me, that many of my known students, many of my known candidates, they have started getting jobs. So with this small step of mine, people have started getting jobs. Such is the power of networking. Friends, this is all about the importance of networking. I would also like to share one more important thing. If you have knowledge and skills, but you do not have networking skills, you may not succeed. Similarly, if you do not have knowledge, skills, only if you have networking skills, still you may not succeed. So friends, you need to have the right combination of knowledge, skills plus networking skills. Then only you can climb the ladder of success quite easily in modern era. Friends, I believe that if you have thoroughly listened to my personal experiences, you have got an idea about the importance of networking and how to do networking. How to do networking? Go out and meet people. Attend seminars, attend workshops. You can join NGO, you can join a club, you can join political party, you can join drives, campaigns, you can access LinkedIn, you can access Facebook. So many platforms are there. As compared to olden days where there were a lot of obstacles, now at present, so many options are there, so many platforms are there. It's just that we need to utilize these platforms to create a healthy network. If you are also a like-minded person, if you are also a large-hearted person, then do comment in the comment box. I would love to be a part of your network. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Namaskar.